Okay, so how will do you actually understand basic math? Will if you have pretty good basic math skill, then this should be have very easy problem to solve without the aids of a calculator. All right, so the questions is which is correct. So this is a PEMDAS rule and BODMAS rule expression. Alright, the only rule here is no calculator, but if you can figure this out, we'll go ahead and put your answer into the comment section. I will show you the correct answer in just 1 second. The, the of course I will walk through exactly how to solve this problem step by step. But before we get started, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Sachin and I have been teaching high school math for India. And if you need help learning math, so welcome to the simple math where we break down complex concept into easy steps. Let's get into it. Start this expression solving. First, will be solve this 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 multiply by 4 divided by 2 plus 5. Then multi then you solve 4 divided by 2, 6 into 4 divided by 2, write it plus 5, 6 into 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 5 and 6 multiply by 4, sorry, multiply by 2 is 12 plus 5, then answer is 17. But not correct this answer. Right answer will be so you. This expression so to board mass, and PEMDAS. B and P. B means brackets and P means parenthesis. Are same. Are same. And then O means order and E means exponents. Order means handle, power, roots, indices or exponents. Example 2 power 3 and or under root 9. This will be solved second. And then D and M. D means division, M means multiplication are same priority of solving this expression. And last is PEMDAS means in this M and D will be same priority of solving example. And last and addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction there also share a same priority. Solve these them as they appear from left to right. We solve 9 left to right. 9 minus 3 multiply by 4 is equal to minus 12 divided by 2 plus 5. Then divided by 9 minus 12 divided by 2 right is plus 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Then final will be right 9 minus 6 plus 5. Then last addition and subtraction will be same priority. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 plus 5 and final answer is 8 and this is correct answer. This will be 9 minus 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 plus 5 is equal to final answer is 8. Will you are new viewer, subscribe the channel, like a video. Thank you.